Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Theresa. If you guys know who I am, welcome. Video is a makeup tutorial and an eyeshadow tutorial. Got the inspiration from this girl. I'll try to link her channel below, but she's really sweet and she's really good at doing makeup. So I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, so enough of my rambling. Let's just get straight on to the tutorial. You guys know. So again, I'm going to use the Milani Soft Glow. This is Nude Glow, so it's illuminator and moisturizer. So I'm just gonna pop that off, and I am just going to apply this on my face. A kabuki brush. Okay. I don't know exactly what makeup look I'm going for today. I think I learned a new eyeshadow technique, the three, I think, don't get me wrong, I think it's a Brazilian technique or something. In Brazil they do it, but it's a three dot technique. I'll show you guys. I have not practiced it and tried it, so I'm going to be trying it out today with you guys for the first time. That stuff's so pretty. I love it. Just gives you like a little glow and stuff. For primer, we're going to be using Smashbox Photo Finish. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of that out. I have a huge zit on my face right there. Does a good job trying to. I think I'll do foundation last because I don't know why I did my primer, because I don't want a lot of fallout. This is NYX. It's a concealer. It's just a little concealer. Looks like that. I'm going to take that with a concealer brush. Like this one, this is just a cheap one from Amazon. Looks like that. And I'm just going I think this is a bit too thick. So I'm going to use a little bit of my Stay Matte by Rimmel. And because I remember that stuff being really thick. And then I'm just going to take like a beauty sponge. I think this one's by Real Techniques or something. Or NYX, or I don't remember. My eyes, I still have like tried so hard to get this eyelash glue off my eyes for this video and I couldn't get it all off, so just use like any translucent powder to set it. It's just a Wet n Wild brush. M506, it looks like this. It's just a really small, precise brush. And we're gonna take right there. And we're going to start by doing, so you want to do one here, where your eye is, one here, like that, and then you want to do one right in the middle. I'm doing that right. Okay, and then all you're gonna want to do, I think, is just connect these. A bit of a bigger brush. It looks like this. This is the M443 by Morphe. I'm just going to take that same M506. kind of like that. I have a really small brush from Jeffree Star. I forgot about this brush, it's really tiny. I think I'm just going to take a little bit of a darker brown. Kind of like that. It's going to make like a half C. Take the same brush with no additional product. We are going to cut our crease. So, I'm going to take a flat brush, eyeliner I mean. I'm going to take a liner brush like this, eyeliner brush. And we're going to I always do like one go. So then I'll take a flat brush and I'll just kind of like that. Okay. Then we're going to take like a banana color from the James Charles palette. Don't really have, I can't really pick it up, but it's just like a banana color. Or like, yeah, a little bit lighter than this peach color right here by Wet n Wild. Just a flat brush. That looks yellow. Okay, I don't like that color. I'm going to use that peachy color I showed you from Wet n Wild. This is a Jeffree Star brush. It's kind of like an M443. We're going to take that, I think this color right here from the James Charles palette. That one. Amazon, I'm pretty sure. Don't like that brush, so I'm going to go in with this brush. Take the same color. Like that so far. Okay, so I got my lashes on and this is what they look like. I really love these lashes. So, face. We did primer, but we haven't done foundation. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. This is Liz Wattier. It's anti-wrinkle, it's anti-brides or whatever, I don't know. But the color is beige purple. I think it's my color. Close enough. Oh, my camera. My camera's gonna die, but it's not. Okay, so after we put that on, we're just gonna go over that with a beauty sponge just to make sure that there's no clumpy spots. For powder, we're going to be using Stay Matte. This is a natural with a big fluffy brush from Real Techniques. I don't feel like highlighting, contouring today with cream, so I'm just going to do this. Poolside bronzing powder by Merle Norman. Looks like that. Looks like that. And then I'm going to be using NARS Orgasm Laguna. This one. Right there. I'm going to mix the two together. You can use the same big brush. Then I'm going to take that little dinky one and do the same thing. Okay, for blush, we're going to mix a little bit of this butter blush, vintage rose, woo! Vintage rose with plum rose. I really love plum rose. Vintage rose is more nude, but I like plum rose better, I think. But I'm going to mix the two together. This is just an e.l.f. blush brush I'm using. Lipstick, I'm just going to use this. This is Caramel Kiss. It's just a really pretty color. Put another new card in because this one's only 8 gig, but we're going to take the Milani highlighter. And just going, oh, I'm going to take that with this brush. This is from Morphe. This is a M510. Dark right now. That's the end of this eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like how it turned out. This is the eye look. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week, so just click that little bell notification and get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's the end of this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah! And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!